Yes! Okay, now what we go use this for? Okay, carry your paper. Left for my class. People of this world, them plenty.
Olanrewaju Fasasi, popularly known as Sound Sultan, was a Nigerian record artist regarded as one of the pacesetters of modern hip-hop music in Nigeria. Sound Sultan's career in show business started in the 90s when he hosted shows to raise money for studio sessions. In 1999, he had won numerous local talent hunt shows. He released his first single, Jangbajantis, in 2000, which was a hit in Nigeria. After independently releasing other singles and featuring in hit songs of other artists, he was signed by Kenny's Music. Under Kenny's Music, he released 4 albums. After starting as a rapper, he worked in different musical genres. He was once reported to have said that artists shouldn't be judged by the genre and that the important thing is the message conveyed in the music. Under his record label, Nigerian, he released Back from the Future in 2010 and signed artists such as Karma the Rapper, Young Gracie, Sean and Blacker. On the 12th of May 2021, it was reported that Sound Sultan was somewhere in America where he is receiving treatment in form of chemotherapy as the musician was reportedly diagnosed with throat cancer. Unfortunately, he lost the battle at the age of 44 as a result of the illness. The news of his death has gotten social media abuzz as many took to his page and several others on Instagram to express their grief. The singer lives behind his wife, Lanre Fasasi, 3 children and his family members. Prominent amongst them is musician Baba D. He will be remembered for his many contributions and sacrifices to the Nigerian music industry. Theophilus Ilama, TVC News, Lagos.